braking system on your Toyota is the most important safety feature of the vehicle. Your ability to slow and stop safely when required, especially in poor driving conditions or in case of emergency, depends entirely on the performance of your brakes. Toyota braking system involves many different components, which together enable your vehicle to maneuver and stop safely. These include the master cylinder, brake discs and pads, which are linked by hoses and pipes containing the brake fluid. When you push down the brake pedal, brake fluid is pressurized to the caliper pistons in each wheel's hub that forces the brake pad on either side of the brake discs. The resulting friction slows the car and ultimately brings it to a stop. Regular use inevitably inflicts wear on both pads and discs, and eventually they need to be replaced. Brake pads can wear out unevenly, which can cause swerving when braking, squeaking, and a reduction in the brake stopping power. Pads must be replaced when they become worn. Driving with worn brakes is extremely dangerous. Brake discs should be replaced too if they measure below the safe minimum thickness specification. In extreme situations with prolonged or continuous braking, the disc rotor can crack, causing separation from the wheel hub and complete loss of braking torque at the wheel. Like all components, brakes deteriorate over time. As this happens gradually, you might not notice the drop-off in braking performance until it's too late. So, to maintain safe driving and ensure peace of mind, it's vital to have your brake discs and brake pads regularly checked by your Toyota authorized repairer. As you would expect, genuine Toyota brake pads and discs are manufactured specifically for your car to exacting standards. They are tested to ensure maximum safety and durability and fitted by our trained technicians. A Toyota brake check includes a full braking system inspection with a digital measure of wear on your vehicle's brake pads and discs. An inspection by your Toyota repairer can help to keep you safe by identifying problems before they seriously affect your car's braking efficiency. For genuine Toyota parts, enhance safety and peace of mind every time you drive. Trust your Toyota authorized repairer.